My name is Dave Bishop and I'm interested in wild plants and flowers. When I was in my early 20s, I found myself for a few months between jobs. I decided to fill the time by learning to identify common wildflowers. I can't remember now exactly why I chose this particular activity, but when a subject catches my attention, I want to know more. I moved to Manchester in 1972 and discovered the plants of the Mersey Valley. In spite of the damage which the 20th century had done to this area, I often felt that I was catching tantalising glimpses of an older, less spoiled landscape. The plants which intrigued me then and still intrigue me now were those of unimproved grassland, buttercups, lady's smock, oxeye daisy, istork, great burnet, butterbur and hay rattle. Soon searching for and observing wild plants became an ingrained habit, and this growing interest meant that visits to other parts of the country and other countries took on a whole new dimension. I have been left with some precious memories, including finding the fine purple blossoms of pasque-flower in Lincolnshire and the great bowl-like flowers of the scarlet peony of Constantinople in the Stranja Mountains of Bulgaria. In 2005, I retired from work and decided to devote my time to cataloguing and attempting to conserve the plant life of the Mersey Valley. So far, I have found nearly 800 species of plants between Stockport and Flixton. These include 5 species of orchids and an astonishing 24 species of ferns, just in the Chorlton area alone. Highly unusual for such a small urban area. My interest in plants is a theme which has run through my adult life, and it has been a great source of joy and comfort to me, and I believe that it has benefited me both mentally and physically. But sadly, wildlife still loses out to development every time. Every year we lose more green spaces and the wild plants and animals that they support. We really need to understand that plants are the most important living organisms on Earth. They form the foundation of all ecosystems, and all of the living things depend on them. Through the process of photosynthesis, they use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and carbohydrates. So anyone who breathes or eats depends on plants. All flesh is grass, as it says in the Bible. We need to take plants much more seriously and take much greater care of them and the ecosystems that they support. We destroy plants and their habitats at our peril.